case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
An intriguing case of legal malpractice, Shumsky v. Eisenstein, came to the forefront in 2001 when New York's highest court was tasked with establishing the boundaries of continuous representation. The doctrine, often used as a legal guideline, implies that the statute of limitations on a malpractice claim halts its countdown if a lawyer's sustained representation is linked directly to the matter in which they perpetuated the alleged malpractice, given the client is ignorant of the need for additional legal assistance. The origin of this lawsuit dates back to 1993, when David Shumsky and Marjorie Scheiber retained attorney Paul Eisenstein to file a breach of contract lawsuit against Home Inspector Charles Fleischer. An unfortunate oversight by Eisenstein resulted in failure to initiate the lawsuit within the stipulated time frame. Unperturbed, in 1997, the clients lodged a disciplinary grievance against Eisenstein, who confessed his error but dodged subsequent discussions about the issue. Subsequently, in the same year, Shumsky and Scheiber took Eisenstein to court over the alleged malpractice. The defendant, Eisenstein's primary argument rested on the statute of limitations, stating that the deadline for suing had lapsed. The Supreme Court disagreed and validated the lawsuit on the grounds of Eisenstein's ongoing representation of his clients. This wasn't the last word, though, as the case ascended to the Appellate Division, which contradicted the Supreme Court's findings and dismissed the case. However, the pendulum swung once again when the New York Court of Appeals backed the Supreme Court's view, allowing the client's complaint against Eisenstein to progress. In their judgment, the court upheld the application of the continuous representation doctrine, asserting that it indeed freezes the time limit on legal malpractice claims as long as the attorney continues to represent his or her client in the specific matter pertaining to the alleged negligence. This doctrine was restricted to the specific instance of malpractice and not applicable broadly to other general legal services. A significant pivot point was the cessation of this protection once the representation ended. The court further highlighted the advent of a new law that relaxed the requirements for filing a legal malpractice lawsuit.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.